Hey everyone, check out the CAMPINGMOON portable folding camping campfire grill made from durable 304 stainless steel. This compact and foldable grill is perfect for cooking over an open fire or camping gas burner. Despite its lightweight design at just 1.1 pounds, it can support up to 20 kilograms of weight. It's ideal for backpacking, camping, BBQs, picnics, beaches, and all your outdoor adventures. The grill comes with a convenient storage bag, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use in various outdoor conditions. Whether you're grilling burgers or roasting marshmallows, this campfire grill is a reliable companion for your trips. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.